Ban, 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 banned. You're banned again, again, because Uber gets banned a lot. That's a general punchline we're leading towards.
Xbox, Twitter, Uber,
Postmates,
Netflix, Movie Pass,
Google,
eBay,
DoorDash,
Apple, Amazon, Airbnb,
The Apptrepreneur. Hey everyone, this is Kevin the Apptrepreneur. If this is your first time here and you happen to like this video, please do me a favor, do you a favor. Click that subscribe button and ring that bell notification for updates on when we post more content. We upload videos on a near daily basis. However, you will want to be notified of them so you can see what kind of videos we talk about for premieres, live streams, all that jazz. So anyway, let's talk about Uber getting banned from Germany again. Now, I went to Germany a couple years ago. In fact, I was making videos in Germany, like recording them and then uploading them. It was actually a lot of fun. There was even one video where one of my most controversial videos where I talked about a handicapped lawsuit against Uber, and there was like a handicapped vehicle there, so I kind of used it like in the video at that moment, kind of spur of the moment thing. Got a lot of comments on that one, but yeah, that was fun. But I used Uber in Germany because it is convenient. Like, for all the bad things we say about it, it is convenient. But Uber worked very differently in Germany than other places. In Germany, you could not actually use the Uber app to get an Uber. You use the Uber app to call a cab. And cab drivers, particularly ones who spoke English, use the Uber app because everyone who used the Uber apps was pretty much American. Germans didn't seem to really use Uber that much, probably because it was just a taxi service and they probably have other ways to call a taxi. Also, they have a very great public transportation system. The only reason we didn't use it a couple times is because there were specific things we wanted to do and we did not have time to learn exactly how to use the public transportation system. There was too much at stake. We wanted to make sure we were there on time. Well, apparently, if I ever go back to Germany, and that's a good possibility, I do want to go back to Germany someday, I won't be using an Uber because Uber has just officially been banned from Germany again. However, before we talk about that, let me tell you a little bit about our sponsors, gigworker.com. Gigworker.com is a site that provides a lot of information to Uber, Lyft, Postmates, DoorDash, all these drivers of the gig economy, and they need your help right now. In the link below, in the description, they want you to take a survey. It takes 5 to 7 minutes at most, and this survey will be used for media outlets like Vice and Vox and cable TV networks to share what Uber drivers are feeling. It's only going to take a little bit of time, and they want to give you $5, $5 for you to take this survey. All you have to do is provide a screenshot for last week's Uber rides and a PayPal verified email address, and you'll get paid on Saturday. So you want $5 and have 5 minutes to spare? Click that link below and get paid. So from Reuters, German court bans Uber services via rental cars in Germany. A German court has banned Uber services in Germany, arguing the U.S. ride-hailing company lacks a necessary license to offer passenger transport services using rental cars. The verdict is effective immediately but can be appealed, and I'm sure they will do that, the Frankfurt Regional Court said in a statement on Thursday. The court in 2015 forbid Uber from matching up drivers using their own cars with ride-hailers, hence probably why when I was in Germany, I believe it was 2017 I was in Germany, maybe it was 2018. Time flies fast, it's scary. We opened the Uber app and we couldn't only get taxis, so, there you go. But hey, I got to go meet Adam Koralik while I was in Germany. That was an interesting bit of timing, I'd say. Uber service, which lets customers hail rides carried out in rented cars, is also illegal as it violated competition rules, the court said. Uber was not immediately available for content. That's pretty much all this. So yeah, that's a pretty short one. Germany basically took a look at Uber. Uber and said, you don't have a license for that, so you're gone. You're absolutely gone. And look, it's hard to cry tears for them. I mean, I don't think this is going to hurt as much as getting kicked out of London. Keep in mind, in Germany, they were simply connecting other taxi drivers to their customers and taking a very small fee. While they will be hurt, obviously, because I think that's more lucrative than them providing their own service, it's not generating a lot of money. I mean, they kind of kept it around so that they would have like a footprint, in Germany, and I think they wanted to eventually launch their rideshare service in Germany, but they could never get around the regulations, and unlike America, I guess they decided they didn't want to force their way into the country, so, you know, now we are where we are. So I don't know what they're going to do about Germany. I'm sure they will appeal this. Whether they will win or not, I don't know. Germany has not been very kind towards Uber, and Uber has given them no reason to trust them. So I think Germany might be a place that Uber eventually just finds they don't have a presence there at all. They might be able to get one in the future. Who knows? I can't imagine people in Berlin not wanting a service like Uber. It's very, very convenient, and I'm sure they even acknowledge that. But, you know, they don't trust Uber, and frankly, I don't think they have a lot of reason to trust them right now. So that's where we're going to leave it. This is a short one, very straight to the point. What do you folks think? Do you think Germany made the right call? Do you think they didn't make the right call? I would love to know. Comment below. Like, favorite, share, subscribe. If you enjoy my videos, consider becoming a Patreon member. It's totally optional, of course, but even as low as $1 a month goes a long way to helping the channel run smoothly and to get access to my Patreon's exclusive blog and private Discord server. If gas prices are getting a little low, check out the Get Upside app below. It's totally free. We get cash back on every gas purchase. If you want more content from me, check me out, Kevin T. Rodriguez, the Apptrepreneur Vlogs, and Autoground. And finally, if you want to talk to me or other fellow Uber drivers out there, check us out at the Apptrepreneur Hangouts on Facebook. And as always, flame responsibly. Have a good one.